Reading out Mr. Prashanjit Sarkar's text from Jugoshondi Pathyo Online Edition, Year 2021, page number 91. The Secret, Miracle and Wise Mahatma, Sri Janakidas Kathia Baba Maharaj. Today, I am writing memories of my first darshan of Sri Gurudev at my uncle's house in Kolkata. It was in the year 1979 that I had relocated to Kolkata from Ranchi. I had just got admission in Kolkata St. Xavier School. It was a Sunday and Sri Gurudev had come from Memory to Kolkata. He had reached our house around 10 am and I had a good darshan. My first question to Sri Gurudev was, "Have you seen God? Can science prove the existence of God?" Sri Gurudev replied that yes, he has seen God. And it is possible for everyone to see God. Only that we need to clean our chitta. Now, answering my next question, he told me that medical science has advanced and now doctors do organ transplantations or even synthesize blood, what Japan had then achieved, but can never give life. He explained to me that this world is a material existence which we perceive through our five senses. There is another world of consciousness which we cannot feel through our five senses, and therefore science has not been able to explain this. On this answer, I replied that this is again belief and it is not logical. He told me that when I first went to school, I believed and accepted what my teacher taught me. A for apple, C for cat. I had realized the logic of 26 letters much later. Similarly, first I have to believe and accept Sri Gurudev's teachings, and then the puzzle of creation will fall in place. This conversation between us continued for a few days. Sri Gurudev explained me the cycle of birth and death as told by Lord Krishna in Sri Bhagavad Gita. He also explained me how the universe came into existence from nothingness as described in the Vedas. He related the knowledge in the Vedas that could be explained by science. In fact, I believe that the modern science has taken a lot of knowledge from Vedas. Today, science has advanced and what Sri Gurudev had told me 30 years back can be proved today by scientific experiments. For example, Russian scientists have developed technology by which one can see the energy of a dying person leaving his body. Again, scientists have proven the Big Bang that created the universe exactly as explained in the Vedas. The formation of galaxies, stars and planets are also explained in the Vedas. In fact, Sri Gurudev also explained me the inside of the sun, and I believe that he was inside the sun while he was explaining me. He could travel anywhere in the universe. Now I realized that there were no doubts in my mind and he is going to be my Sri Gurudev. I was now determined to know the world of consciousness which he had explained. It was now time for him to return to Memory Ashram the next day. That day, after I returned from school, I requested him to give me mantra. He told me that I require my parents' approval, and my parents that time were living in Nigeria, and the only communication I had was through letters, which will take days. At that very moment, the telephone in the room rang. It was my father calling me from Lagos, and I immediately took his permission for mantra. 3 questions still keep me thinking. Number 1. Why did my father call exactly when I was seeking permission for mantra? Secondly, the house telephone was dead since last few days. How did it start working suddenly? And lastly, whenever I had these discussions with Sri Gurudev, why was he alone?